Good morning. It is 3:51. I have to be at work at 4 o'clock and it should take me about 4 or 5 minutes to walk from here. Hope you guys are doing well. It's really early. It's gonna be a 3-hour shift. We never really do 3-hour shifts. Normally it's like 2 hours, but the flight schedule changed for this particular shift and the plane will be leaving an hour later. So for my Tuesdays, I'll be working from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. I hope you guys are doing well, and hopefully I'll wake up in the next few minutes. Oh, this one's heavy? Thank you. Hi, you guys. It was such a good shift today. I got to work with a lot of people that are hard workers, and when everyone puts in their fair share of and works really hard together, then it makes it really easy. Teamwork makes the dream work, as everyone says. So it was a good shift. I had a great crew today. We actually ended up leaving and being done in 2 hours. We thought that we were told that the flight was going to be leaving an hour later today and that the flight schedule changed, but looked on the app showed that the flight was going to be coming in, actually leaving out at the exact same time. So we just talked to the supervisor and we were able to leave after our flight went out. But it was a great day. I'm off to change my clothes and put on my work clothes because I am teaching today. And so from one job to the next, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I hope you guys are doing great, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.